Okay, so what we got here is an Elite 1500 mounted right there, running the Nexus, or I'm sorry, the Haltech NSP software. Can gauge going on. Straighten the wheel out. So if we look right here, we'll see that there's a green light that comes on. Okay, so if we look, you see, if I get my feet in there, probably not. So push a clutch in, that's anti-lag. Okay, that's anti-lag or launch control. If I push on a foot brake, they're both set to the same numbers right now, but ideally that's rolling anti-lag.